Make yourself completely comfortable in your healing space. Close your eyes when you feel ready, and allow your body to find its natural position of rest and restoration. Just begin to focus on the sound of my voice as your guide on this healing journey. Take a deep healing breath in through your nose, and as you breathe out through your mouth, feel your body beginning to release, beginning to let go, beginning to remember its state of natural, perfect health. With each breath you take, your body is already beginning the process of renewal. Your breath carries life force energy to every single cell, nourishing, revitalizing, awakening your body's innate wisdom. Starting at the crown of your head, feel a gentle wave of healing light beginning to flow down through your body. This is your body's own healing intelligence, warm and golden, moving down through your scalp, relaxing every single muscle, every nerve, every cell. Feel this healing energy flowing down around your eyes, releasing any tension down through your face, your jaw, letting your jaw drop slightly as all tension melts away. The healing light continues down through your neck. Feel those muscles lengthening and releasing down through your shoulders. Let those shoulders drop and soften, releasing any burden you've been carrying. This golden healing energy flows down through your arms, down through your chest. Feel your heart beating steadily and strong. Your lungs expanding easily and naturally. Every breath bringing fresh oxygen and life force to your entire system. Down through your torso, down your back. Feel your spine aligning perfectly, each vertebra finding its ideal position. Down through your hips, your legs, all the way down to your feet. Your entire body now bathed in this healing golden light, completely relaxed, completely receptive to healing. In a moment, I'm going to count down from 10 to 1, and with each number, you'll go deeper into this healing state, deeper into connection with your body's perfect blueprint for health. 10, going deeper now. Feeling your body's natural healing mechanisms beginning to activate. 9, deeper still. Your cells remembering their perfect design. 8, twice as deep, twice as receptive to healing. 7, your body's wisdom awakening, knowing exactly how to heal itself. 6, deeper and deeper into perfect cellular harmony. 5, halfway there, feeling the intelligence of your body guiding this process. 4, almost at the perfect healing depth, your cells vibrating with life force. 3, deeper still, accessing your body's blueprint for perfect health. Almost there. 2, completely connected to your healing potential. 1, perfect. You are now in the ideal state for deep cellular regeneration and healing. Your body is an incredible miracle, containing trillions of cells, each one a perfect universe of healing potential. And right now, in this moment, every single cell in your body is listening, responding, ready to return to its perfect state of health and vitality. Imagine now that you can see inside your body. See the perfect network of cells that make up who you are. See them glowing with life force, pulsing with vitality, communicating with each other in perfect harmony. Your body knows exactly how to heal itself. This is not something you have to force or control. It's your body's natural state, its deepest desire to be perfectly healthy, perfectly whole, perfectly vibrant. Feel your immune system awakening, strengthening, becoming more intelligent, more efficient. Your white blood cells patrol your system like loving guardians, identifying and removing anything that doesn't serve your highest health, protecting and preserving your perfect cellular integrity. Your DNA contains the perfect blueprint for your optimal health. And right now, your body is accessing this blueprint. Your cells are remembering their perfect design, their perfect function, their perfect ability to regenerate and renew. Every system in your body is now synchronizing. Your circulatory system carrying healing nutrients and oxygen to every cell. Your lymphatic system clearing away toxins and waste. Your nervous system coordinating perfect communication throughout your being. Feel your cells beginning to vibrate with healing frequency. 528 hertz, the frequency of love and healing, resonating through every tissue, every organ, every system. Your body is literally tuning itself to the frequency of perfect health. Your body's natural regeneration process is now accelerating. Old, damaged cells are being replaced with new, healthy, vibrant cells. This process is happening effortlessly, naturally, as your body remembers its innate perfection. Your sleep is becoming deeper and more restorative, because this is where your body does its most powerful healing work. Every night, as you rest, your cells are regenerating. Your tissues are repairing. Your entire system is renewing itself. Your body is now producing optimal levels of healing hormones. Growth hormone for tissue repair, melatonin for deep restoration, endorphins for natural pain relief. Your endocrine system is perfectly balanced, supporting your body's healing in every way. Any inflammation in your body is now calming, cooling, healing. Your body's inflammatory response is intelligent and precise, healing what needs to be healed, then returning to perfect balance and harmony. Your digestive system is processing nutrients with perfect efficiency, absorbing exactly what your body needs for optimal health, eliminating waste completely and easily. Your gut microbiome is balanced and healthy, supporting your immune system and overall vitality. Feel now a beautiful golden light entering through the crown of your head. This is pure healing energy from the universe, from the same intelligence that grows flowers and heals wounds, flowing into your body now. This healing light knows exactly where to go, what to heal, how to restore perfect balance. It flows to every cell that needs healing, every tissue that needs repair, every system that needs harmony. You are not separate from this healing intelligence. You are this healing intelligence. Your body is made up of the same energy that creates stars and moves planets. You have access to unlimited healing potential. Feel this truth settling deep into your cellular memory. You were designed for health, created for vitality, meant to thrive. This is your natural state, your birthright, your deepest truth. want you to imagine yourself now 3 months from today. See yourself radiating with health and vitality. Your energy is abundant. Your body feels strong and flexible. Your mind is clear and sharp. Notice how you move through your day with grace and ease. How you naturally choose foods that nourish your body. How you sleep deeply and wake refreshed. How you handle stress with calm resilience. This healthy version of yourself is not separate from who you are now. This is who you are. Your body is already moving towards this state of perfect health. Every cell is working hard towards this vision. Every system is aligning with this reality. Place your hand on your heart now. Feel the steady, strong rhythm of your healthy heart. This is your healing anchor. Anytime you place your hand here and take 3 deep breaths, you'll instantly reconnect with your body's healing wisdom. You'll remember this state of perfect cellular harmony. Feel this healing session anchoring into every cell of your body, into your DNA, into your cellular memory. These healing frequencies will continue working long after this session ends. Your body will continue regenerating, renewing, returning to perfect health. From this moment forward, your relationship with your body is transformed. You trust your body's wisdom. You listen to its needs. You support its healing with love and gratitude. Every night as you sleep, your body's healing mechanisms work with perfect efficiency. Every morning you wake feeling more restored, more vibrant, more alive. You naturally make choices that support your health. You eat foods that nourish you. You move in ways that strengthen you. You rest when you need restoration. You live in harmony with your body's needs. Your body is your temple. Your sacred vessel. And you treat it with the reverence and care it deserves. You are becoming healthier, stronger, more vibrant with each passing day. Take a moment now to send gratitude to your incredible body. Thank your heart for beating faithfully, your lungs for breathing life into you, your immune system for protecting you, every cell for working tirelessly on your behalf. Your body loves you unconditionally, forgives you completely, and is always working towards your highest good. Feel this love. Accept this love. Return this love. In a moment, I'm going to count from 1 to 5, and when I reach 5, you'll open your eyes feeling completely refreshed, revitalized, and deeply connected to your body's healing wisdom. 1. Beginning to return now, feeling healing energy flowing throughout your entire body. 2. Becoming more aware, feeling grateful for your body's incredible intelligence. 3. Halfway back, feeling vibrant and alive, your cells humming with health. 4. Almost ready now, bringing this healing energy with you into your day. 5. Eyes open, fully alert, feeling fantastic and deeply healed.